Okay, so on to factors. Factors are the numbers, the whole numbers that are divisible into another whole number. So we're only dealing with the integers here, the whole numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. We're not dealing with any decimals or fractions. And so what we're looking at is there's always at least two factors that make something up, because there is the number and the number one. So 1 times 3 is 3. So there's at least number 1 and there's at least number 3. Okay, so for 3 it would be 1 and 3. But there are no other whole numbers that can divide into 3. Only 1 and 3. If we go a little bit further and we try and think of something a bit more interesting, so say 12, for example. So 12 is always going to be 1 and 12. It's the first pair. Then we try 2. Well, will 2 go into it? Yeah, well, 2 and 6. 3, yep, 3 goes into it. 3 and 4. And then does 4 go into it? Well, we've just done 4, so yeah. 5, we've just done 5. 6, we've just done 6. 7, no. 8, nope, nope, so on. Okay, so we've got these are all the factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Those are the factors of 12, the numbers that will go into 12. Okay, there is, if we write the full set down, if you like, so 3, 4 and 3, and 6 and 2, and then 12 and 1. Okay, all the different ways of making 12. And there's always an even number of factors, unless the numbers are square. Okay, so if you have something like 25, then it's an odd number of factors. So there's 1 and 25, and then there is 5 and 5. 5 fives are 25, and then of course there is 25 and 1. There's nothing else that will go into 20. Sorry, there's nothing else which will go into 25. 1, 25, 5 fives, 25, 25 and 1. So with square numbers, there's a odd number of factors, and with even numbers, there's an even number of factors. So the trick when you're trying to work out what the factors of any particular number are, so if we try to do something like 36 or something, is just that. Just take your time. It's methodical. It's slightly boring, okay? But there is only just one way of doing it. That's 1 and 36. 2, so 36 divided by 2 is 18. 3 is going to 36 once, twice, 12. 4, does 4 go into 36? Yeah, 4 is embarrassing myself. No, I can't think quick enough, isn't it? 4 nines are 36. Does 5 go into 36? Nope. Does 6 go into 36? Yep, 6 times 6 is 36. Does 7 go into 36? Nope. Does 8 go into 36? 2 8s are 16. 3 8s 24. 24 and 8, 32. Nope, it's not going to do it, is it? 7, 8, sorry, 8, 9. We've got 9 up here, haven't we? Yeah. So we've got 9 and 4. 10, nope. 11, nope. 12, yeah, we've got 12 up here. 12 and 3. 13, 13, 2 13s are 26, close, but no. 14, 2 14s are 28. Add on another 14, nope, it's going to go flying past it. 15, nope. 16, 2 16s, nope, that's 32. 3, 7, no. 17s is not going to do it. 18, yep, we've got 18 already, so let's get 18 again. That's a 2. 19, no, because look, the 2 is there's nothing smaller than 2, is there? So the next one has to be 36. You see what I'm doing there, yeah? Because that's a 2 now, the next one has to be 36 and 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've missed 1, and do you know why I've missed 1? Because 36 is a square. 6 squared is 36. So there's an odd number. I hadn't missed 1 after all. Okay, so the factors are just methodically looking at the 2 different things that will divide into that. Start with 1, you won't go wrong, and just work your way through and then dismiss them. There isn't really a shortcut to it. I hope that helps a little bit.